Looky. Here they come.
Look, Graham's making big bubbles. Woo! Whoa.
Oh, it popped. Can you blow? Blow. Blow out. You have to blow out. Show Grandma. Blow.
Whee.
Can you grab them? Go chase them. Way up in the air. Here it comes. Here it comes. Grab it.
Get it, Cole. Yeah.
Looky. Here it comes.
Look at all the boobles. There they go.
Oh,
ooh, they're
boy,
way
look
up in
at
the
all
sky.
those. Wowee. They last a long time?
What do you think of those, Cole?
Go run for it. Oh, I'm doing it in the wrong place. Here, over here, son.
Are you going to do the bubble dance?
Go show Grandma you can.
Do the bubble dance. Do the bubble dance. Oop, you almost had it.
Here, let's go. Come and catch them. Catch them.
He just wants to dance.
Before
Dance, dance,
You told me to
revolution.
do the bubble dance.
Oh, shoot.
I'm afraid if they snap in his eye.
Yeah. Oh, boy.
With the
We need some disco music now.
dancing and dancing around and around. It's more interested in dancing than the bubble.
You're such a good dancer.
Let's save my bubbles.
Oops, there he goes. Do-do-do. Do-do-do. Hi, Cole.
Here he comes.
Oh,
Save the day.
Graham, I think he
Mighty
wants more
Mouse,
bubbles.
that's who that was.
You want to make more bubbles?
Well, I'm blowing them and you're running away. Goofball. Oh.
Oops, there they go.
Good thing the lid's on.
There
Hey,
they
they don't
go.
go in there, toots.
Toots Meshuggah.
That's Eric. That sounds like what he says.
I know.
I don't know where he gets some of his saying.
Oops, don't.
Lord knows.
We're on YouTube. We're live
my-
on YouTube.
I wish he would expand
Mother.
his interest.
Mother,
What?
I'm filming
Oh.
with sound.
Oh. You gonna watch it?
Yes. I'll just edit that part.
Hear it from me.
Oh, no. Nope.
No rocks.